Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. It's a Monday. We're going to be talking about My Lead Gen Secret. This is not going to be a review video. I'm going to actually cover the compensation plan within My Lead Gen Secret because I've been getting this question a lot. What is the compensation plan? Honestly, I use My Lead Gen Secret for the traffic, for the advertising, and not for the compensation plan, but we're going to cover the compensation plan so that you guys understand what it is and if it's something that you want to promote as an affiliate. Now, you can go through different methods of doing affiliate marketing with or to promote My Legion Secret, which can be through YouTube, through Facebook, through My Legion Secret itself. But I want to share with you what you can generate. The reason why actually I'm going to be talking about this today, because maybe it fits into the perspective of people asking me a lot, how do I cover my costs when it comes to My Legion Secret? First and foremost, I like to tell you, and I say this on each and every video, is that I think everybody needs a 12-month commitment to My Legion Secret. 12 months of emailing every day, regardless if you make a sale with My Legion Secret as an offer. Why do I say this? Because I think that you need to see what the email can actually do for you, how consistency can help, and if you're generating actual commissions, then it will make a difference. Why do I say this? Just to give you an understanding, guys, I've been following the same strategy that you can see on screen for the last 3 years, and My Legion Secret is a catalyst in this entire strategy. I use it in step one. I send it to an offer, and in this scenario, I'm going to share with you proof in a second. But I share offers on a network, an affiliate marketing network called Warrior Plus, and I generate sales there, and then I use those funds to be able to drive and generate leads to my entire funnels and the other processes. So basically nothing comes out of pocket because of the strategy itself. And My Lead Gen Secret is a key element to this whole dynamic. Just to give you an understanding, if I go to Warrior Plus and I just go to transactions right here and just put all time, then we will see also, let's just put let's wait. You can see that all time I have about $11,478 in commissions earned all time, as in the last 3 years. Basically, I made about almost 800 sales. And MLGS, if I put this in the code, you'll see that My Legion Secret has generated 9,000 of those commissions. So even if you take 9,400, just this account, okay, and we just divide that by 3 years. So 12 threes are 36. So we divide that by 36. You'll see on average it's about $250 a month. That's just because I'm taking 3 years as a whole, but it's not even 3 years. Actually, it's about 30 months because it's still in March. Sorry, it'll be 33 months, because in March it'll actually be 3 years. So that you can see it's about 285 per month so far, and this month is not over yet. But that's the amount of commissions that I'm earning on average, right? So if you think about it, My Legion Secret costs, I'll share with you the costs, but already just this one account, if I put into perspective what I'm doing right here, just this amount is covering the cost of My Legion Secret. So I focus on the traffic itself and not the compensation plan, but a lot of people want to make the compensation plan the aim over here because it has an earning potential. So we're going to be talking about it. Let's jump into it. It's just a proof. Results are not typical. I do take a lot of work and effort. I do focus on sending out an email every single day, that I have been for the last 33 months. Let's get into it. My Lead Gen Secret, guys, gives you 100 to 200 leads on a daily basis. These leads are co-registration leads. These are leads that have opted in to get promotional emails, and that's how they're sharing it with us. They have agreed to it. And these leads are in the make money online niche or the business opportunity niche. And therefore, they're not health, they're not fitness, they're not dog training, they're not other random leads. They're actually focused on learning about how do you make money on the internet. And that's what we're going to be talking about to them to get the best results. You get 100 leads every day. That's standard, right? So if you open an account, you get 100 leads every day. How much does this cost? It costs you $60 the first month to get started, because there's a $30 one-time setup fee plus a $30 per month. So the first month costs you $60, and then the second month onwards, it will cost you $30 every single month. That is what this page is telling you. So basically, you spend $1 a day for 100 leads that you generate. Now, if you do decide to use My Lead Gen Secret as an offer, as an affiliate offer, and share it with other people, they compensate you with commissions. So as you guys can see here, here's what you get with My Lead Gen Secret: 100 drip-fed leads that are focused on business opportunities, and you can send out an email every single 24 hours. It's a done-for-you email platform, which means that it is spam compliant, can spam compliant, and so on and so forth. You can earn $5 residual income, $5 basically commissions per person that you refer to My Legion Secret. In a week, if you generate 5 customers every single week, they'll give you $100 bonus. So ideally, if you focus on the affiliate plan, honestly, if you focus on generating 5 to 6 customers, or maybe even 7 customers, 1 customer a day, first and foremost, let's say you get 1 customer a day, that's 5 into 7, $35. Already you've covered your cost of for the entire month. Okay. So if you focus once a month to get 5 people, you've covered your costs. However, if you get 5 people, sorry, 7 people. If you get 7 people in that first week, guess what? You're also getting an additional $100 as a bonus because you got them in that week. And now you've made 135. And this can be unlimited 135. That's what they mean by $100 bonus every 5 customers you refer. But these customers have to be within a week. Okay. That's the exception right here. And so it can be a lucrative stream because let's say every week you do the same thing. In a month, you are making about $500 a month just on that. So the compensation plan, this is just one level. Okay. This is a direct affiliate commission that you're earning. You've referred somebody, somebody joins, they pay the $60 and $30, you get $5 for that person, and you also get you get $5 for that person. That's it. If you generate 5 to 7 leads, 5 to 7 paid customers like this, then you can get a $35 basically in commissions. And then, as I said, if you do that within a week, you additionally get 100. That's it. It's as simple as that. Now, if you understood this concept, everything else follows along this way. Okay, hope that is clear. So as you can see, the fast action takers get the bonus, which means that they get the $100. That's the first thing. And then there are additionally 4 levels. So it's not just on the first level. There are 4 levels. So basically, if you get those 7 people who generate, you get those $5 per month. You've generated about $35 in commissions. In order for you to cover your costs, you may need 6 referrals per month. I currently have 4 referrals per month that are sticking there. At one point, I had 12, but you need basically 6 to cover your costs. How is that paid out to you? I didn't cover that. Sorry about that. You can get it through PayPal, you can get it through check, or you can get it through Bitcoin. I think check is only available for people in the US. So either PayPal, most people are PayPal or Bitcoin. I usually use Bitcoin because actually I'm not pocketing the money that I'm earning from My Legion Secret. I add it to my exchange and actually trade it there. And that's how I increase the Bitcoin that I have. Just my personal recommendation. That's what I do. It's up to you, obviously. But yeah, the first level is $5. The second level is $4. So it basically means that if you refer somebody, that person has got $5. You've got $5 for that person, but that person now has referred somebody else. So that second level, you are generating $4 for a person that you've not really actively done. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and goes down 5 levels. That's it. So just think about it. If person A has now got somebody, you're getting $4 plus $5 for that. So you're getting $9 a month now. And then that person on level 2 refers somebody on refers somebody. Now you're getting 3, 4, and 5. So you're getting 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12 a month now. And when somebody comes on and then this person gets somebody on also, you're getting $2. Remember, that person is getting $5 and the person above that is getting $4. So I hope you guys understand this, right? So it goes up that way. So you get now 2, 3. So that's basically 14. And then on the 5th level, if the 4th person gets now 1 person under them, you're getting 1. So 3, 6, 10, 15. So totally, if you have all 5 levels filled, just 1 person has all 5 levels filled, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, you can get about $15 on your entire per month. So you can make your money back with just those 2 referrals filled out 5 levels deep, and you get your money back, which is very difficult to do. I will be honest, but that's how the compensation plan works. That's really it. To be honest, it's not very complicated. That's how it is. It's not, as I said, it's not complicated. It's pretty simple to understand. The way that I personally, there are a couple of ways that you can promote it. I would not recommend to use the swipes that are available within My Legion Secret because they are used by every single marketer. And the way that if you followed any of my trainings or followed my entire channel when it comes to My Legion Secret, the way to stand out of the crowd is to create good emails. Once you create your good emails, you can promote My Lead Gen Secret as an offer. And honestly, I know many people who have been promoting My Lead Gen Secret as an offer and getting multiple sales this way and covering their costs pretty easily. Up to you again. Like I said, you can use external sources of traffic to generate more leads, or you can promote this offer to let's say you get 100 leads and you send out an email to those 100 leads. My Lead Gen Secret is the offer, and you start to generate this way. That way you're only focused on the first level, however, and then if people under that start to build a team, then you can get. But it's, it's not the, honestly, it is the only thing that you have control over. You don't have control over the other levels unless you are a network marketer and you're thinking about it in that way and you have a team of people and so on and so forth and blah blah blah. Then you might be able to use this traffic source as an opportunity. But honestly, people can focus on one level. And in affiliate marketing, I always share, if you, the only thing that you have control over is the effort that you are going to put in. Therefore, the kind of emails that you're going to write, the kind of content that you're going to put out to generate leads to My Lead Gen Secret. That is it. That is pretty much it. Okay. Hope this covered everything. I wanted to keep it short and simple. I've covered pretty much the entire compensation plan, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in on Wednesday because it's going to be an interesting video. We're going to cover the OLSP system, Megalink specifically. And then on Friday, we're going to be talking actually about Pinterest. So make sure that you come and check all these 3 videos out because this year I have a lot planned. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.